Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to a timeless favorite in the motorcycle world, the 2026 Royal Enfield Classic. Known for its vintage charm, reliable performance, and soulful ride, the Classic has remained a symbol of enduring motorcycling spirit. The 2026 model refines this legacy with modern upgrades while staying true to its iconic roots. Let's dive into what makes the new Classic even more special. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Classic continues its retro-inspired styling with graceful lines, rounded headlamp, and timeless chrome touches. Royal Enfield has introduced new paint schemes and premium finishes, along with finely detailed tank graphics that enhance its heritage look. The seat has been redesigned for added comfort, and subtle changes in fenders and side panels give the bike a more polished yet authentic presence. It's a motorcycle that blends nostalgia with contemporary craftsmanship. Performance and powertrain. At its heart, the 2026 Classic is powered by the proven 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, delivering smooth and tractable power ideal for both city rides and open highways. Paired with a refined 5-speed gearbox, the motor offers strong mid-range performance with reduced vibrations. The chassis has been tweaked for better stability, while the suspension provides a balanced mix of comfort and control. Braking performance is enhanced with dual-channel ABS, making the Classic not just stylish, but safer and more confident on the road. Safety and technology. While retaining its old-school essence, the new Classic also embraces modern touches. The semi-digital instrument cluster features a neatly integrated tripper navigation system for turn-by-turn directions. USB charging is now available for convenience, and updated lighting improves visibility at night. With advanced braking, reliable build quality, and rider-friendly ergonomics, the 2026 Classic ensures peace of mind on every journey. Conclusion. The 2026 Royal Enfield Classic carries forward a proud tradition while adding thoughtful modern refinements. It remains a motorcycle built for riders who value character, simplicity, and an emotional connection to the road. Whether cruising through city lanes or embarking on long weekend rides, the Classic continues to be a trusted companion. Stay tuned to my channel for more updates on the machines that shape our riding stories.